Right, folks, welcome to 90.9 The Quadratic for your Algebra 2 quiz review 6.1, 6.4 answers. As always, we are brought to you by Coffee Espresso in the great Chinatown here in Litchfield. All right, 1 through 9, given f of x, g of x, and h of x, perform the following operations. Guys, f plus g of x just means this, f of x plus g of x. Same thing here with number 2, 3. Guys, get the point again. This has to be a very, very quick video here, just with the answers. Got some good work shown. Pause it whenever you need to. Again, should not cause us too much issue, this first page. Quiz tomorrow is going to have 36 questions. Again, guys, on this, you're going to evaluate the inner function first. Figure out what g of negative 2 is. It's like two evaluations. After your second evaluation, you get your answers. It's like the first half, then plug it back in. That's the second half. G of negative 2 is negative 17. You're going to plug that negative 17 into the outer function, which is f. All right, those are your answers. Again, pause this whenever you need. 18, there you go, there you go. Guys, inverse. Remember, f of x is the same thing as y. So y equals 3x minus 4. I really haven't done anything. Then switch x and y. X was there, now goes there. Y was there, now goes with the 3. And then you're going to solve for y. Interchange x and y, and then solve for y. Again, first, instead of f of x, just write y equals 2x plus 8, and then switch x and y, go from there. You're going to have 6 of these. I really wouldn't worry about like 26, but everything else is kind of fair game for sure. Again, pause this whenever you need. These do take a little bit of work. This is the hardest page on your quiz tomorrow, okay? Guys, domain and range on square root functions. You can take the square root of 0, but nothing less. So always set what's inside the square root equal to 0. You get x is negative 1. On almost all of these, you want values of negative 1 you want values of x that are negative 1 or bigger. That vertical shift on the outside has to deal with the range. All right. The only time the range is going to be affected is if you had a negative square root, which you don't have on any of these. Anytime the domain is not x is greater than or equal to some number is when you have something like this, a negative with the x on the inside. All right. I need values of x that are 7 or fewer or less. All right. Again, pause this whenever you need. Back page, pretty easy here. Take the square root of 49. There's imaginary 2. You're taking the second root. 2 goes in 8 4 times. 2 goes into 12 6 times. All right, the cubed root of 8 is 2. That 3 goes into 6 for the exponent twice. 3 goes into 15 5 times. This should be a very easy page here. Take your time on it tomorrow. Tomorrow's quiz, again, should be very easy. Not bad at all. I see a lot of good scores. All right, this is 90.9 The Quadratic signing out.